Hello, I'm Rich Dean with West Coast Collector Cars in Oregon, and today I have got a very nice 1968 Ford F250 Ranger to show you. Now, this is a 3/4 ton. That's a long box, but basically and completely restored, and it's very nice. Nice driving truck, nicely done. Let me take you around, show you some of its fine attributes. Now, the original color for this truck was silver, and it was repainted in a nice base clear, so the paint looks nice. It was painted about 10 years ago. And this one does have clear mask. As you can see, you might be able to see the line there. It's clear masked on the front nose, also on the door cups, you know, where you grab the door handles, and on the back. I'll show you back there too, on the top of the bed rails and whatnot. But all the chrome on the emblems and so forth is nice. All the trim and bright work's got this burgundy painted character line here, just to kind of break up the silver paint. All the trim and bright work, again, very nice. Nice new emblems indicating the 390. This is an original 390 truck, the original engine. The transmission is a C6, which is Ford's heavy-duty 3-speed automatic. Differential is a Dana 60. That's a very strong differential, and it has 373-to-1 gears. So very nice, pretty much a bulletproof drivetrain. Wheels and tires, now these are ultra aluminum wheels. They're 16s, and they got these nice Yokohama radials all around. Very nice condition, not curved, not damaged, and so forth. Very nice. Mirrors nice and polished. All the glass is nice in the truck. All the weather stripping and so forth was replaced when the truck was painted. You know, the whiskers and the, you know, and all your weather stripping and whatnot. Now, the interior is this nice burgundy here, and this is an original. The door panels are original to the truck, and they're very nice. This truck was very well maintained, very well kept throughout its life. You know, the nice pliable weather stripping. Original bench seating with the two-tone kind of a cloth and vinyl, which it would have been similar probably originally. The headliner, you got that deluxe headliner with the Ranger. The Ranger trim level was the top trim level in 1968 for the truck. Dash pad, look at that dash pad, very nice. Nice matching carpeting. Dome light working up in there, and doors closed nice and easy. You don't have to slam the doors. Even the trim down here is nice. Got quite a bit of trim. And the bed light up there, that works as well. The original switch is in on the dash for that. The roof is nice up in here. Let me show you the bed. Original bed. Look at this. It's not even, there's no damage to it at all, and it's been rhino lined. So if a person really wanted to use it, you know, for its intent, you know, to haul something in here or pull a trailer or anything like that, this truck is definitely capable, and it's that bed is capable of you know, putting any kind of products in there or hauling something from the big box stores. If you wanted to use it for heavier things, you could, but it's so nice you may not want to do that. Back here, tailgate's nice. Notice your chrome and everything along the tailgate. Closes nice and easy. It's nice big beautiful bumper here. And the chrome on the bumper is excellent. You got these little accessory lights here. Now, the reverse lights, the original reverse lights work, and there's a toggle on the dash for these. So you've got a little extra lighting if you need that or you want to use that. Let me take a moment or two here to tell you about the website, westcoastcollectorcars.com, where I've got pictures of the truck, but I put it on the hoist. I wasn't sure if it'd be too heavy for the hoist, but I put it on there anyway because I wanted to get pictures of the undercarriage for you. Undercarriage very clean, nice and dry under there. The front suspension completely rebuilt, new kingpins, ball joints, bushings, the whole nine. The rears are a leaf with, you know, front new shocks, rear shocks and whatnot. Rides very nicely down the road. You know, a lot of times people don't realize it, but a nice riding 3/4 ton, man, that makes for a nice truck to own and to be able to use. And this one just steers really nice, power steering, again, power front disc brakes, big 390, very strong. I'm going to show you that engine here in a few minutes, but at any rate, very nice and clean. I should point out to you another thing is the fuel tank on these back then was behind the seat. Well, that's been removed, and so what you've got is a saddle tank here now, and so you don't have to worry about that. And the fuel filler would have been somewhere around in here, and that of course has been filled in. Take in the interior on this side. Oh, windows, you know, roll up and down nice and easy. Again, you know, you got new felts and whatnot in here. All the gauges work. Those are the original gauges, and they all work properly. All the lights work. Horn works. The original AM radio works. The heater works. The wipers work. The turn signals work and cancel. So everything on the truck works as it should. And I've got quite a bit of maintenance records for the truck as well. Nice polished thresholds. Again, you know, doors closed nice and easy. Shut lines, gaps, whatnot, very nice and tight. Got these little wind deflectors here. So if you roll down the window, or, you know, if it's raining out and you roll down the window, you're not going to get rain in here. It's going to deflect that a little bit. Up front here, this nice original grille, polished aluminum, looks excellent. You've got HID headlamps, which you wouldn't have had back in 1968, but they're just nice to have. A little brighter light. This nice bumper with, again, you know, I think I mentioned that we got these little accessory lights here as well. They work as a fog lamp. There's a toggle in on the dash for them. They're just kind of cool looking. But let me take you inside and show you the engine here. Ford's big 390 cubic inch V8. Now this one is equipped with a FiTech Fuel injection system. That's what this is. Part of this here supplements the fuel pump. So in other words, with fuel injection, just like today's cars, you know, you don't have to crank and pump and all that. It'll just fire right off. And you can see that throttle body fuel injection there. Electronic ignition, power steering, power front disc brakes. Got the nice big radiator. This is an ammo box, but to be utilized as maybe a toolbox if you want to carry some onboard tools. Very clean, very nice in here. Headers, aluminum manifold. The engine was rebuilt at some point by a previous owner, and the heads were rebuilt mileage-wise fairly recently. They have about 500 miles on them, but all nice up, clean up under here, under the hood. Let me show you. Hood closes nice and easy. All your letters and so forth are excellent, as you can see. But what I'd like to do now is I'll hop in the truck, start it, you'll hear it run. It's got a nice exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers, so of course we all like that. You know, it sounds good. Very easy to drive. Again, you know, power steering, power front disc brakes. The brakes pull the truck down nice and true. So just wanted to point out, you know, if you're kind of considering an older truck, you know, or a vintage truck, a classic, what have you, this makes for a very nice truck to drive. But let's do that. I should say, you know, really no squeaks and rattles or anything like that. And at any rate, everything works on the truck. The dash is nice. All the lighting works in here, of course. But if I can answer any further questions for you about this 1968 Ford pickup, don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Rich Dean, and this is West Coast Collector Cars. My number is 503-851-6763, and thank you for watching today.